Whoa!
Alright, now. Here, now you do this.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to help you.
Is it cool? You gotta hit the button all the way down. Whoa, there you go. Whoa! Alright, now push the button down and go forward.
The garage is too small for it.
Yeah.
Is it cool?
What's it called? Uh-oh, don't knock it over.
Uh-oh, be careful.
Whoop.
Push the button so it goes forward. See, push it like
Let
this.
Daddy show you.
You keep running away, I can't show you.
Alright, now sit on it and try it again. Now it'll go forward.
It'll go forward.
What you doing? Come over here.